performance boost tips for 2026. 1. Use the menu bar RAM booster. CleanMyMac has a dedicated menu app feature that monitors memory pressure on your Mac. Click the iMac icon in the menu bar, then under Memory, click Free Up. You can also click the Memory tab and quit top consumers one by one. If you don't see the icon, open CleanMyMac rightward arrow settings rightward arrow menu to enable it. 2. Run Smart Care/System Cleanup Scan. The Smart Care and Protection scans are fast and provide detailed results on how to improve your device. CleanMyMac's optimization tools are useful for improving Mac performance. Testers found no lag even with numerous browser tabs open after running it. 3. Clear cache files. Cache files are temporary data stored by your Mac to speed up processes, but they accumulate over time and slow down your system. Clearing system, app, and browser cache using CleanMyMac can significantly improve performance. 4. Manage login and startup items. Open the app and click Performance from the sidebar rightward arrow scan rightward arrow view all tasks. Search through login items and background items, select what you want to remove, and click Remove. This is arguably the module that offers the most significant performance boost, particularly for older Macs. 5. Uninstall unused apps and leftovers. The Applications module scans your applications folder and suggests options for removal and updates. It can remove unused applications and application leftovers even from non-App Store sources. You can also remove installation files that linger after apps are gone. 6. Use Space Lens and MyClutter. Space Lens gives you an interactive visual breakdown of how storage is used. The MyClutter module helps you get rid of large, duplicate, and similar files from your Mac, freeing up space that directly boosts speed. 7. Cloud Cleanup, new in 2025/2026. CleanMyMac added a new cloud cleanup feature in 2025 that lets you access and clean up connected cloud storage accounts. This prevents sync activity from slowing your machine. 8. Flush DNS cache. You can flush your DNS cache through CleanMyMac, which clears cached IP addresses and DNS records, improving both online security and internet connectivity. 9. Disable unnecessary iCloud syncing. iCloud syncing can consume system resources and slow down your Mac. Disable it for apps where you don't require constant synchronization via system settings rightward arrow Apple ID rightward arrow iCloud. 10. Keep macOS updated. An updated macOS is essential to your Mac working fast. Every new system version brings performance improvements and bug fixes. Note ****, the performance boost from CleanMyMac may be minimal on newer Macs with plenty of RAM and processing power, but it makes a meaningful difference on older or storage-constrained machines. Also worth knowing, CleanMyMac is more focused on performance optimization than antivirus protection, so pair it with a dedicated security tool if malware protection is a concern.